Don't start a home business until after this is read through. Starting a home-based business can be profitable, and a great way to achieve work and life balance. Keeping your business running means that it needs to generate income, and some people have trouble with this. What do you think it takes to start and run a successful home business? Start watching to find out expert tips and tricks on starting out right with your new business. Get involved with online communities that support businesses run from home. A quick search through the internet will give you great sites that you can go to, and you will be able to find great information from them. Use blog platforms to get in touch with other home business owners and learn from them. Hire people to help you. You might imagine that because you're a home business, you have to do everything on your own, and that's not so. Letting other people handle some things frees you up to focus on what you truly enjoy. If you are ready to form your business, think about what legal steps you are required to take. You will need to decide if you want to form your business as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Your business will need a license or permit in order to operate. Depending on the type of business, you might need to get special insurance. Making sure that you address all the legal issues will protect you and your clients from any legal misunderstanding. Make sure your home business website looks professional and is designed with the user in mind. While there are numerous options to build your own site for little or no cost, often investing a little in a clean and professional design pays off quickly. Visitors are more likely to return again or recommend your site if it is easy to use and appealing. Check with your city hall or the city planning office to learn if there are any zoning regulations that will inhibit you from starting your home business. You may find yourself being ordered to cease operations down the road if you are breaking any of the zoning laws in the area. You are likely going to need to get a domain name for your home business, then you will be required to get a hosting account that is going to be reliable for you. Shop around to learn as much as possible about the different hosts that are available to find the one that is going to work well. Do not fall prey to all of the ads that promise you that you can make millions from doing a business within a few weeks. They are not realistic, and you would be setting yourself up for disappointment. Understand that you must work hard and stick with it in order to make anything, and that the harder you work, the more you will make. Creating a business that you can run from home is something that people who wish to work for themselves must do. But to be a success, you must know how to make sure the company makes a profit and thrives. It doesn't need to be hard to make money from your business. Your home business is a very valuable investment and asset. Student loan,